It's February 20th, 2020. We're going to go over there and see about doing a bee extraction. I had a Facebook post the other night from a nice guy named Danny. Said he had some bees inside of an old speaker. And we went out last night to check it out. And it looks like a pretty decent hive. But due to the rain and darkness and cold weather, we weren't quite equipped to get them out of the box last night. So it's about 3:40 in the afternoon, and we're going to head back over there and see if we can't get all these bees out of this speaker and back to the apiary. Okay, here's our speaker. It's an old classic 10-inch speaker. There's a little girl flying right there. And the bees are, you can see, but up in there. So we're gonna pull her apart. Of course, our lovely weather decided to get cold on us and cloud up. So let's get to cracking. This side. Alright, so we just got done extracting the bees out of the speaker box over there. Turned out a little bit better than expected. Probably got about 2 to 3 pounds of bees. They had been there for quite a while. The comb was really old. I'll add some pictures of it. And hey, Danny, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Glad that you saved the bees. And this hive, we're going to take it back to the apiary, and we're going to call it Castle Ridge. So it's going to be our Castle Ridge hive out of Red Oak, Texas. Anyway, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a comments below. Subscribe if you can. And if you're in the local area and you got a swarm, give us a shout at Hops Farm on Facebook. See y'all.